This is our Dometic freezer that we have on our boat, and I'm going to show you how much food it actually holds. We got frozen bananas, 3 things of butter, 2 green beans, cauliflower, banana and strawberry blend, and orange juice and broccoli. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steaks. We got 2 maybe pounds of beef and pork mix. We have all of these chicken breasts. There's probably 2 in each container. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So maybe 16 breasts here, maybe a little bit more. 2 packages of bacon. Chicken thighs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 containers. And each container, I don't know, has a lot. Some sausages. 2 of salmon, 3 of smoked salmon, a turkey tenderloin, 2 chuck roasts, a pound of beef here, and 3 containers of beef. That's probably about 2 pounds in there on each of them. So that is all fit into this Dometic freezer. Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.